Hi, I'm Captain Stevens, and our project is rain garden design for the West Lafayette wastewater treatment plant.
I'm Laura.
All right.
Captain, rain garden. I understand rain, that's water coming out of the sky, and sometimes I'm getting too much underground. What's the garden part of this?
Basically, what a rain garden is a depressional area that captures an initial amount of runoff. And what you want to have there is that first half inch of rainfall to be infiltrated rather than go directly into your stormwater. And you have plants then, and along with the infiltration in the soil, to take up that excess water. And that's designed based off your drainage area and all that will work.
And you are designing a specific solution.
Right.
So this is a real location, a real wastewater plant. What are these lines here?
Those are the 2-foot contours for our county.
2-foot contours would mean whatever the elevation is here.
Right. And then
here it's 2
2
feet
feet.
lower, 2 feet lower, 2 feet lower. So that's really relatively steep area.
Yep.
So the water could be flowing pretty quickly
Right.
in a big storm. So, Laura, what are the engineering elements of a garden design?
Well, to start off, you usually want to figure out your infiltration rate. You want to know how fast the water is actually getting through the soil. And then, like Kevin said, once you find the drainage area, after that, it's just a matter of calculating your rain garden size. But this is based on the amount of runoff you want to capture, your rain garden depth, which is based on your infiltration rate, and then the drainage area.
So a lot of times engineering is a little bit iterative. It's not just plug this in and calculate that.
Right.
So here you have more. You have a few things that you can kind of juggle.
Yes.
I can make this bigger, that smaller.
Exactly.
So did you settle on one solution or a range of solutions?
Well, we actually had 2 different designs, but the thing with rain gardens is the standards aren't they're new. Like, they're just now getting really certified. So we played with the depth a little bit, because standards say that the rain garden depth should be anywhere from 6 to 8 inches deep, but with how fast it was infiltrating, you want to go deeper rather than wider. So we made ours 9 inches deep, which is a little more than the standard. So again, we were just playing with it ourselves. And yeah, so.
Okay. So I'm seeing down here total $675. That's the cost to implement your solution.
Just the materials.
Just the materials.
Labor would be provided by the treatment plant.
Okay. And is this something that the treatment plant is actually going to
Yeah,
do?
they're actually going to implement this at some point in the future.
So that's got to be satisfactory or satisfying as a student to design something that somebody really is going to use.
Yep. Absolutely.
And what's your major?
I
At
am
Purdue?
environmental and natural resources engineer.
And how about you, Laura?
The same.